Hi guys, welcome to Car and Bikes Guide. So today we are at Volkswagen Purperganj, and here we have Volkswagen Tiguan 1 liter variant with us, and this is a this is a top line variant, and this is the top of the line variants in the 1 liter variants of the Tiguan. And you can see the front look of the Tiguan. It's so beautiful and amazing, and you can see the creases on the bonnet. It looks fantastic. And this is a Volkswagen signature 3 slat grille and the new logo which has been introduced with the India Strategy 2.0. And you can see here is a placement of the chrome lining which has been done underneath, and on a bumper it looks fantastic and upmarket. So you can see the front look of this Tiguan, and you can see here is the LED projector headlamps with LED DRLs and LED turn indicators as well. And you can see the fog lamps on the bumper. And let's go to the side of the Volkswagen Tiguan, and you can see here we have 17-inch alloy wheels of the Volkswagen Tiguan 1 liter, and here Volkswagen has provided the Apollo tires with the alloys. And here you can see the clean and neat design of the Volkswagen Tiguan, because German are very famous for their neat and clean design, simple and sober, and look fantastic as well. And here you can see the turn indicators as well on the wing mirrors. And this is the white color of the Volkswagen Tiguan, and this is a chrome lining on the doors, and it goes at the end. It looks fantastic. And here we have the roof rails, and that is functional, and it can load up to 50 kgs. And let's go back. So here is the fuel cap, and it can fuel capacity is around 50 liters. And here is the back look of the Volkswagen Tiguan 1 liter, and here's a full LED headlamps which are connecting at both ends, and it looks distinguished and upmarket, and it looks beautiful at every angle. And here you can see the rear defogger and rear wiper available with the Tiguan. And this is a shark fin antenna, stop lamp, integrated spoiler. And you can see here is the badging of the Tiguan, and here is the TSI which indicates that this is a 1 liter TSI model. And you can see on the back bumper, and here is a chrome strip which is going at the end, and it is connecting at both ends. It looks fantastic. And you can see here is the rear parking sensor as well as, and here is the rear view camera, and here is the new logo of the Volkswagen which has been introduced with this Tiguan. So this is the full look of the Tiguan from exterior, and let's go inside the interior of the Volkswagen Tiguan. So here we are in the Volkswagen Tiguan 1 liter. So here is the full digital instrument cluster of the Tiguan. Here is a new steering wheel. This is a flat bottom steering wheel, and this is a new logo embossed on the steering of the Volkswagen Tiguan. So here you can see the audio controls as well, and cruise control as well. So here are the AC con vents, and you can see here is the headlight. You can control from here as well. So this interior is so upmarket and fit and finish in top notch, and Germans are famous for that as well. Build quality is also top notch. You can see that this is the touchscreen infotainment system, which is Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, which is included in that. And you can see here is the center AC con vents, and here are the controls for the hazard ride. And this is the touch based AC controls are here, like you have seen in the Skoda Kushaq as well. And you can see here is a space available for the mobile phone, and you can charge as well. This is a wireless charger is available. This is a 12-volt socket is there. This is a push button start available. This is a manual variant of the top line of Volkswagen Tiguan 1 liter. So this is stitched with the leather stitching is also there, and it looks amazing. So you can see the storage space as well, and this is a handbrake. And this is the adjustable front armrest, and there is a storage beneath the front armrest as well. So you can see here is the lighting as well. If you can see The lighting is also there. White light is there. Ambient lighting is all around in the top line variant of 1 liter Tycoon. This is a cool glove box, and this is a sufficient space in that. So you can see the plastic, hard plastic, and that is a good quality, and that is amazing. So here we do not have the vanity mirror at the driver's side. So these are the LED lamps, mood lamps available at the front. And here we have the vanity mirror at the co-passenger side. And this is you can see the sunroof. This is not a full panoramic roof, this is a normal sunroof. So this is the front layout of the Volkswagen Tiguan 1 liter. You can see the digital instrument cluster here, and this is a touchscreen infotainment system which includes Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. So here is the look of the touchscreen infotainment system. You can see the volume as well. It's amazing. So this is the sound of the Volkswagen Tiguan music system. It's amazing. And you can see the touchscreen infotainment system, and this is the digital instrument cluster. It's look amazing. So it's really good. You can see that. We are at the back of the Volkswagen Tiguan, and the front seat is adjusted to my driving position, so there is ample legroom. So so much legroom here, and seating comfort is amazing. And you can see here we have the center armrest as well with cup holders. It looks amazing and comfortable, and sitting position is also amazing. So here we have the leather seat covers with the Volkswagen Tiguan, and you have 3 headrests and all are adjustable headrest. And these are the lights at the back, mood lamps available at the back of the Volkswagen Tiguan. It's amazing. So here is the full look of the Volkswagen Tiguan 1 liter front dashboard look. From the back you can see it's amazing. So here we have the rear AC vents as well available with us. And middle passengers will also get comfort while sitting on long journeys. So 3 passengers can sit very easily. So it's really a nice car, I must say. So Volkswagen has done a really great job in presenting the Volkswagen Tiguan. And in this segment, so there is so much competition from different rivals. So it's quite amazing, and I really like the product. So let's go outside. So you can see again back of the Volkswagen Tiguan. So thank you so much guys for watching the video. This is really good. So you can see the front again. So thank you for watching the guys. Keep loving, keep supporting. Signing off. Car and Bikes Guide. Thank you so much. Bye bye.